How to offer long-term discounts on Airbnb. Well, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me go through quick and easy on how you can offer long-term discounts on Airbnb. Well, first things first, you want to navigate to your listings, pricing settings, and set weekly or monthly discounts. To do so, you want to head over to airbnb.com/hosting. Basically, you want to open up your hosting account for Airbnb and head over to the listings tab. Once here, you want to tap on the particular listings and head over to edit the listing. And now you want to set weekly or monthly discounts. You can also go to your calendar or opportunities tab on your Airbnb dashboard and then select price settings or discounts. If you're here, you want to on the edit tab, you want to select the prices settings option or discounts option and choose between weekly, monthly, or trip plans discounts. Then for weekly and monthly discounts, adjust the percentage using the slider or manually enter a value. You can also add discounts for longer stays, 28 days or more, and customize discounts for early bird, long in advance, or last minute bookings. You can also consider offering custom promotions for specific dates or a non-refundable discount as well. Hope this video was helpful to like and subscribe.